We're now shifting our focus to Punjab, where Punjab's financial strain deepens even as the state hiked fuel prices and partially withdrew the power subsidies. And the Punjab government has raised the VAT on petrol and diesel by 61 and 92 paise per litre. Also announced that the withdrawal of the ₹3 per unit power subsidy given to the consumers with loads up to 7 kilowatt. Now, bus fares are also up by 23 paise per kilometre. Now, Finance Minister Harpal Chima has also announced that these measures are now aiming to save ₹1,500 crore annually by scrapping the power subsidy introduced by the previous Congress administration. Now, Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann has also convened a cabinet meeting to address the state's current financial challenges as it was unable to pay government employees salaries until 4th of September. Both the BJP and Congress have criticized the Mann government for these moves.
देखिए, आज सरदार भगवंत सिंह मान जी की अध्यक्षता में बड़े फैसले हुए हैं कि पंजाब में जो एग्रीकल्चर पॉलिसी पेंडिंग पड़ी थी उसके ऊपर काम और तेज करने का फैसला हुआ है और आज किसान जथेबंदियों के साथ मिलके उनके भी इनपुट लिए जाएंगे और जो स्टेक होल्डर हैं उनसे इनपुट लेके बड़ी जल्दी जो है वो पंजाब की एग्रीकल्चर पॉलिसी अनाउंस करेंगे।
उत्तराखंड मॉडल का एक और परिचायक, जहां जहां इंडी अलायंस की सरकार आई वहां पर महंगाई, बर्बादी, लूट, कंगाली सब लेकर आई। अब देखिए, पहले हिमाचल में 6 रुपए डीजल कांग्रेस की इंडी की सरकार ने बढ़ा दिए थे। कर्नाटका में तो लगातार पेट्रोल, डीजल, स्टैम्प ड्यूटी, मिल्क, बस फेयर सबके दाम बढ़ा दिए थे। अब पंजाब में पेट्रोल और डीजल का वैट बढ़ा दिया गया है 61% और 92% पैसे से। इसका मतलब कि आम आदमी पर बोझ बढ़ाया गया। और केवल यही नहीं, जो सब्सिडी दी जाती थी उपभोक्ताओं को बिजली पर, वो भी विड्रॉ कर दिया गया है, उसको भी कैंसिल कर दिया गया। मतलब कि कुल मिलाकर महंगाई बढ़ेगी। तो जहां जहां इंडी अलायंस की सरकार आई वहां वहां बर्बादी, लूट और महंगाई लाई। ये इसका एक और प्रमाण है।
Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Pallavi. A very good morning, Pallavi. Punjab's financial woes are worsening despite revenue measures. Now, this has also sparked a lot of concern about the state's economic health. Now, this has come after we've heard reports of Himachal Pradesh also reeling under financial crisis. Now, is the government's rollback of freebies a necessary step towards fiscal prudence, or it'll...
Well, frankly speaking, Christine, I don't think the Punjab government, if you go by what the Chief Minister and the Finance Minister had to say, has any other option. It's a huge financial bill which they have drawn up. They are, of course, like Mr. Sukhu, blaming his predecessor, saying that the coffers were left empty by the Charanjit Singh Channi government much before the Aam Aadmi Party came to power. And because of the large number of freebies and subsidies, we don't have much money now left to pay salaries on time. So what are the measures that he's quickly taken is to cut down on some of those subsidies? Apart from that, increasing the VAT on petrol and diesel, which makes it one of the most expensive in the country. And of course, that's going to invite a lot of criticism. Remember when AAP was campaigning to come to power in Punjab, one of the main points that they raised was, like in the case of Delhi, which worked for them. In the case of Punjab, also they offered free electricity, water in some areas. They are having to roll back and all of that, which invites this criticism from the BJP that this is why we are against the revenue or the freebie culture, because they are not financially prudent. That at one point of time, you end up deceiving the people because you promise them something, but you're not able to deliver.